Do you own a fleet of vehicles? Well, you need to watch this video. This side looks pretty good. This side took a bit of damage. What's up, guys? We got this Habica van on our rack right now. This is a pretty big job, one of the usual bigger ones that we get. As you can see, we replaced both body side panel, basically this whole side, let's say, got replaced. This panel, as well as the door, and the door frame around is actually in a side swipe collision. So we got all the panels on. We're about 95% done with the body work before we send this off to paint. Basically just finishing it up, and then it's going to go into paint probably in the next day or two.